Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 114. So the European Championships 2018 are well underway. Well, when we say well underway, I think they finished today. But anyway, here's a wee snapshot of the leaderboard as of the beginning of Saturday, and we've just to work out what number each shape stands for. So I think the best one to start off with is the rectangles. So there's three equal rectangles and the total comes to 15. So in order to take the value of one rectangle, we're going to divide 15 by 3. So each rectangle is going to be worth 5. So now that we know that they're 5, we can also fill in this one up here, and that's going to allow us to work out the triangle by adding 8 and 5 together to get 13, and then taking it away from 24. So the triangle is going to stand for 11. So we can fill that 11 in here, and then to work out the hexagon, we add 11 and 24 together and then take it away from 51. So the hexagon is worth 16. So we can fill that 16 up the top. That's going to allow us to work out the star, because we can add these two together and take it away from 54. So the star's worth 12. So we can fill in the star down here, and we've now got enough information to work out a circle, because if we take the 12 away from the 32, it gives us 20, and the total of the two circles is 20. The circles are obviously worth the same value, so if we divide 20 by 2, each circle stands for 10. So we know that the star's worth 12, we know that the circle was worth 10, so to get the trapezium, we just add these two together and take it away from 29, so the trapezium at the end there was worth 7. Okay, so on to our next story, our money story. So yonks ago, way back in the Daily Rigour, we gave you plenty of notice about the new pound coins coming out, even though they're not so new now. But the Royal Mint are now saying there's still about 168 million not returned. The main reason why we changed to the new pound coin is because the other one was so easily faked. So in fact, 1 in 30 of the old version were estimated to be fake. So in that respect, how many of the yet returned £1 coins are fake? So if 1 in 30 are fake, that's just a basic bit of proportion, isn't it? So if we've got 168 million coins in total, we can write that number out in full. 168 with 6 zeros, and we're going to divide that by 30 to find out how many are fake, and it gives us a staggering 5,600,000 fake coins. So that would just be typical, wouldn't it? You put your hand down the back of the couch, you look in your gym bag or your coat pocket, you find a few of them. How would you feel if they turned out to be fake? Okay, well, on to our sports story now. Don't know if anybody agrees with me, but I was quite underwhelmed by transfer deadline day. But anyway, we've got a wee question here about it. Fulham made 5 signings, and in total they spent 98.1 million. So how much did the other 19 clubs spend in total? Well, we just have to take 98.1 million away from 1.2 billion, but we're probably going to want to write the numbers out in full for that. So 1.2 billion is 1,200,000,000, and we're going to take away 98,100,000, which gives us a grand total of £1,101,900,000 spent by the other 19 clubs in total. So our last story, our business story, Apple's the first company to be worth $1 trillion, and we have to write this figure as a number. So obviously we've got the 1 at the start. If we put 3 zeros, that's 1,000. If we put another 3 zeros, that's 1,000,000. If we put another 3 zeros, that's 1 billion. So we're going to need another 3 zeros to make it 1 trillion. So in order to get the mark here, you had to put 1 with 12 zeros. So anyway, folks, that was our What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour. We hope you enjoyed solving the problems as we enjoyed making them. So stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking for more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.